There lived a young boy named Sam in a small village nestled among the hills. Sam was bright, his dreams were as big as the sky. He aspired to become a doctor, heal the sick, and bring hope to his community. But life had its own plans for him. Sam's family had to struggle to survive. His parents worked tirelessly in the fields, barely earning enough to support the family. Despite his difficulties, he always encouraged Sam to pursue his dreams. But as Sam grew up, he became more and more distracted. He got distracted, and instead of studying, he spent hours glued to his phone and mindlessly scrolling through social media. Motivational videos would ignite a spark within her for a short time, but it faded just as quickly as it came. Days turned into weeks and weeks turned into months. Sam's grades fall, and his dreams become further and further away. He felt trapped in a cycle of apathy and despair, from which he was unable to break free. One evening, as the sun sank below the horizon, Sam's father called him outside. His father, sitting in the shade of an old thorny tree, spoke in a heavy voice. "Sam, my son," he began, the fatigue of years of hard work visible in his eyes. "I see the pain in your eyes, the struggle you face every day. But remember, life is not about the obstacles we face, but how we overcome them." Sam heard this, tears welled up in his eyes. He felt the weight of his father's words, the weight of his untold sacrifices. "There's a fire inside you, Sam," his father added. "A fire that burns with dreams and aspirations. Don't let it be extinguished by the darkness of doubt and despair." With those words echoing in his heart, Sam took a decision. He knew that he could not change the past, but he could shape his future. With new determination, he began studying again, taking one small step at a time. It was not easy. There were days when the weight of his responsibilities felt crushing, when the allure of distraction seemed overwhelming. But Sam persevered, inspired by the love and support of his family. Months passed, and slowly but surely, Sam started seeing progress. His grades improved and his confidence grew with each passing day. He no longer saw his dreams as distant fantasies, but as achievable goals within his grasp. At last the day of entrance examination came. Sam put his heart and soul into the exam. Every question was a testament to his unwavering determination. And when the results were announced, he couldn't believe his ears. He did this. Against all odds, Sam had secured admission to medical school. Tears of joy streamed down her cheeks as she hugged her parents, their proud smiles lighting up the room. As Sam begins the next chapter of his journey, he takes with him the lessons he learned from his struggles. He knew that life would always be full of challenges, but he also knew that with faith and perseverance anything is possible. And so, dear audience, remember the story of Sam, the boy who refused to let his dreams die. No matter how difficult the path seems, never ignore the fire within you. Because on dark nights, it is often our dreams that take us home.